Hey guys, in this game we're gonna go over example of the importance of knowing the math mechanics behind Langrisser. You'll know what I mean by this in a bit. It's a quick overview of the ban pick. Essentially, it boils down to me trying to ban out his DPSs. I see a tank box over here, a tank push box over here, and I want to ban out as many DPSs as possible while giving him as less healers as possible. In the ban pick, turns out I was able to ban all his healers and picking up a good amount of the AoE myself. He was also able to pick up long legged hitters like Helena Sherry. Let's see what happens. So Helena has the standard 3C loadout, Sherry with the lightning speed, raging storm combo, Luna with faction mode 3C, bozel with double AoE and sleep, Hilda with the route, 2 range guard, and the passive debuff. I bring T-Jess with the attack buff and teleport. Clotaire with his standard 3C setup with 2 move against, AoE Ares, Sherry with her loadout, standard loadout, Lucretia with mass attack, black hole, and dark reaper. Alright, let's see how this plays out. I'm scared right now because he has a lot more control of the map right now. I was afraid he was gonna do a Luna 3C Wingard Realm and just rush me down before I had time to even prep my Clotaire. But he didn't, so that's good for me. So now he does the 3C Wingard Realm. As you can see, Sherry can't quite reach yet, but Helena can. If she reaches this spot, she can use her shove skill to create a ring around her. Like this. And then move another 3 blocks while ignoring terrain penalty here, and then hit my Clotaire essentially. So my Clotaire has to go in right now, or else I'm gonna lose my Clotaire without doing anything. So I go in and hit everybody. This also lets me know who has Swordsmith essentially. So the bozel has Swordsmith, and everyone else is immune to fixed damage. So Sherry kills my Clotaire easily here, no problem. So now this triggered me pretty badly. So right after the kill, Sherry was able to get a breeze proc off. But even without the breeze proc, she was gonna reach anyways because 6 block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the Wingard Realm mobility reduction. So she was gonna reach no matter what. Now she goes in, kills my Ares, which is a right choice. You know, I would kill another AoE unit before Ares can cause damage. I trade the kill by killing Sherry here, healing right back up. And now I have my range skill up. I know this is not going to kill, but I had to send her in just to make sure I do some damage before she dies. Because Helena can go in to kill, as he does now. So it kills the Sherry pretty easily, if I remember correctly. Yep. But they both die. Now I TPT Luke closer to the fight, so I can land potentially an AoE here. So now, see, this is the part where math mechanics come in. So he tries to bait me essentially with his bozel. It's out of guard range. There's the magic damage reduction talent from Luna. Units within 2 blocks take 30% less magic damage. Bozel is not faction buffed. He has 900 MDef. His warlocks are hit. Sorry, his warlocks are at 100%. So there's gonna be the troop tech that gives damage reduction on crystal warlocks. Bozel himself is at 75%. So what I do here is I get my T-Jess prepped up and I 3C the bozel. Hold up, let's turn on animations. I missed the kill by 1800 HP. So SSM prevents the Twilight Star from breaking the warlocks. Someone has to correct me if I'm wrong though. I think Warlocks still get the damage reduction tech. But yeah, barely lives. But this is enough. So bozel has 1800 HP left. After the game, I was thinking to myself, if Lucretia would have actually done more damage. At this point, TJS has 1368 HP, int, with full HP source. That's extra damage. From TJS's talent, she gets, so this is a 5-star TJS, she gets 11% damage increase. Compared to a slightly lower in Lucretia. But Lucretia has a higher damage increase, 22%, so that's double that what TJS has. And if I use Dark Reaper over here, it ignores 30% of the MDef. So someone has to do the math for me. Maybe I'll have to do this somewhere down the line, but I think the game may have been different had I Dark Reapered bozel instead of using my TJS 3C. Anyways, the game kind of turns ugly now for me. I failed to kill the bozel. He moves his Hilda up. Actually, no, he sleeps my Lucretia. I'm not gonna attack the bozel with my golem. That's just suicide. I just move. And what I did here was I gave the cooldown reduction to TJS. I want to cycle that 3C back up as soon as possible. Hilda moves within guard range, and it's pretty much over at this point. Luna attacks my TJS melee and dies to Clotair's fixed damage. I can't break through Hilda. It's too much of a tank for me to go through. I heal up. Try to attack again with the summon. See, I did 8,500 damage right there. The armor that I just procced was 20% damage reduction. It's 20%. Even without the proc, I don't think it would have killed. Sleeves my TJS. Can't do anything. And the Crystal Warlock's heal kills my TJS now. Hilda's, previously Hilda couldn't revive due to my Clotair AoE hitting, but now it's back up, and now it's pretty much GG for me. Hilda's second life comes up, and they just slowly and painfully kill my Lucretia. So yeah, at the end of this game, the lesson for this game is I need to do my math mechanics. I need to know my math mechanics more.